Hi everyone, I'm Cynthia Vera from CynthiaVeraBakes.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy gender reveal cake. It's not just any gender reveal cake, it's going to be my own gender reveal cake that I'm going to share with my friends and family. So let's get decorating. I have already finished mixing up my vanilla cake and colored it lavender for a nice gender neutral color. I will link that vanilla cake recipe in the description below. Once the cake has cooled and ready, I simply punch a hole in the center using a round cookie cutter. To ensure that all the hole is in the same place, I place the cake layer with a cutout on top of the other layer to leave a mark. Set aside the cake hole because we will use it later for the lid of our piñata cake. Then it's time to ice and assemble the cake. Here I am using a simple American buttercream frosting to fill the cake. Then apply a generous layer of buttercream for the crumb coat because we're not going to be doing another layer after this. Then place the cake inside the fridge for a few minutes to firm up the buttercream. Now it's time to add in our candy and sprinkle surprise inside. Then I simply made a cone out of paper to help funnel in all the sprinkles inside. Of course, you choose blue sprinkles if it's a baby boy and pink sprinkles if it's a baby girl. Make sure not to fill the cake too much and leave a little bit of space for the lid. Then once all the candy are in, simply pop in the cake hole from earlier and cover the top with more buttercream. Now it's time to decorate our cake, and since this is a gender reveal cake, I will be coloring my buttercream with blue and pink food coloring gel. Try not to add too much food gel because we want our color to be subtle. Mix everything thoroughly, then transfer the buttercream in piping bags. Before we begin piping the buttercream, try to draw in a guide so the color will be piped evenly. Here I am just using a ruler and a toothpick to mark the lines that I want. So we're going to be using a petal nozzle or piping tip to pipe out all the ruffles of the cake. Make sure that the fat end of the nozzle is slightly pressing into the cake. We will start in the bottom of the cake, then you simply turn your turntable and start making little wiggles to create the ruffles of the cake. So I piped 4 layers of the pink ruffle before I switched to the blue buttercream. Again, you just simply wiggle the piping tip up and down to create the ruffles. Now you don't want to be too uniform with this cake because you want your ruffles to be a little bit messy like a piñata. And then after the blue, we're just going to alternate to the pink again and switch back to the blue until we reach the top of the cake. You can always pipe more of the ruffles on top to cover the entire cake with ruffles, or you can simply fill the top with colorful sprinkles to add lots of colors to your cake. Surprise! It's a baby girl! We're so happy and we're excited to meet her this coming spring. We're so happy we're having a baby girl this coming spring. I hope you liked that video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of my other baking videos. See you next time!